K-Beauty skincare routine for all girls. Welcome back to my channel, Glow Up Guide. Today, I am super excited to share my 30-day journey with a K-Beauty skincare routine. If you've been curious about the popular Korean skincare method, stay tuned as I walk you through my routine, the products I used, and my results after a whole month of dedication. Let's dive into the video. First, we talk about what is K-Beauty. K-Beauty stands for Korean Beauty, which emphasizes a multi-step skincare routine to achieve radiant, healthy skin. It focuses on hydration, nourishment, and prevention. With so many products out there, it can be overwhelming. 30-day routine breakdown. Step 1. Oil cleanser. Started with an oil cleanser that helps you out to remove makeup and impurities. Also choose oil cleanser according to your skin type. Step 2. Water-based cleanser. This gentle cleanser helped you to maintain skin's pH balance. Step 3. Exfoliator. Used exfoliator almost 1 to 2 times a week to slough off dead skin. Step 4. Toner. Hydrating toner prepped your skin for the next steps. Step 6. Serum. Focused on serums targeting your specific skin concerns. Step 7. Sheet mask. Treated yourself to a sheet mask 2 to 3 times a week for an extra boost. Step 8. Eye cream. Eye cream kept your under eye area hydrated and bright. Step 9. Moisturizer. Lightweight moisturizer is perfect for sealing in all the goodness. Step 10. Sunscreen. Last but definitely not least, sunscreen is crucial during the day. Daily application and changes. Dedicated time each morning and night to apply all products, which helped you create a consistent self-care ritual. At first, your skin felt a bit overwhelmed, but you gradually noticed improvements in texture and hydration. After 30 days results, your skin felt incredibly hydrated. The texture of your skin is smoother, and you noticed a glow that you hadn't seen before. While some areas took longer to improve, overall, you felt more confident in your skin. You have also noticed fewer breakouts and a more even skin tone. Pros and cons. Now we talk about on pros. Incredible hydration and glow. Fun and engaging routine. Diverse product options. Now we talk about on cons. Time-consuming, not for everyone. May require trial and error to find the right products. Can get expensive with so many products. If you're considering trying a K-Beauty routine, I highly recommend it for anyone looking to revitalize their skin. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more skincare content. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.